A girl from Chicago. New and used home furnishings, yeah. It's pretty cool. Is anyone home?
All right.
Is anyone home?
This has been a real joy.
It has.
We'll check the theater out and then we'll value say.
Are you going to? Yeah.
Yeah. By all means, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you let us know and take a picture?
You take a picture and shoot it to us.
Hello, my baby. Hello, my darling.
Hello, my right-time girl. For your horses to drink out of?
Yep.
Super.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh.
This is where you tie your horse
Yep.
to.
That's why there's a picture of a
Horsey.
horse.
Do you
Oh my
know
God.
in Piney,
Okay.
when they had that flood that one year,
Okay.
there was so much water in front of the hotel that it uncovered part of the old posts, the hitching posts.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is pretty cool.
Oh. Okay, we should take a picture of Ghosty on the stage.
Okay.
Welcome to a special Remembrance Day broadcast of Letters by local Winnipeg playwright Brian Langlotz. It's inspired by real events of World War II and soldiers in the playwright's own family. A Canadian soldier fighting his way through Italy during World War II, and wife Betty waiting for him to return, as told in the letters that they sent to each other. December 4th, 1943. Dear Betty, Merry Christmas! I know it's not Christmas here, but by the time you get this, it will be. I wish I could see the tree. I bet it looks amazing. Hope it hasn't snowed too much there. It's been snowing here. I hope it hasn't gotten too cold yet. Has Cheryl been good company? We are making our way to
Morrow River. We've already walked what feels like 1,000 miles, though I know it's less. We've lost hundreds, if not thousands of men. I've never seen so much carnage. We had to take down tanks. Tanks! One of the soldiers we lost was from my section, Charlie Timmons. Sergeant Thompson told us that there was a massacre on the island of Cephalonia. The Nazis killed thousands of Italian soldiers, all because of the armistice. We have to stop these bastards. They say if we can get to Ortona, it would be a big hit to the Nazis. Hopefully we can take Ortona before there's another massacre. We've been traveling at all times of night and day. The nightmares are getting worse. It doesn't help that there's gunfire and bombs exploding night and day. I've been asking about Stuart, but no one seems to know anything about him. I'm starting to think that they're hiding something. Someone must know something. I sure hope he's okay. I'll let you know if I hear anything about him. I wish I could be there with you. I hate that we're going to spend Christmas away from each other. I sent you something that I made here on the front. It's made out of one of my bullets and some metal that I just kind of found around. I know it isn't much, but I was thinking you could put it on the tree. It could be a way of having me there with you. I can't wait to see how beautiful you are again. Send me more pictures. I pray I get to see you again.